before moving away from home, before leaving home, questions of who I am, how I identify myself, my identity were never asked. They were never an issue here. It was never a topic of discussion. It was always assumed here that I'm Samoan because everybody is, because my parents said so. But when I left home, it becomes a thing. It became a thing to talk about. It mattered when I left home. All of a sudden, I get asked questions like, who are you? How do you identify yourself? And why do you identify yourself that way? If I said I'm Samoan, why? I get asked questions like, why do you identify yourself as Samoan? What makes you Samoan? I mean, at first I thought, that's strange. But when I get asked those questions, I thought, oh, I don't know. Because my parents said I'm Samoan. Because I was born in Samoa, so obviously I'm Samoan. It was strange. But then after absorbing so much, learning so much from other cultures, from other people that I met, I learned that my identity is who I said I am. It is my choice. And that choice, that identity that I've chosen for myself was built by my ancestors, built by the culture I grew up in, built by my family, the name I was given, my experiences, all those factors creates that identity that I've chosen for myself. All those factors matters. And in this society that we live in, there's so many labels, right? We create those labels so we could organize people, group people, I guess. For people like me that are from an island, born in Samoa, for example, there's so many labels for us. Like Polynesians, because Samoa is in Polynesia. Oceania, citizens of Oceania, as Hau'ofa Ebeli said. Pacific Islanders, because we are in the Pacific. But if I had to choose which label I would identify myself with as a whole, I would say all of them. And I'll also say it depends on where I am. Depends on who's asking me who I am. If I'm here in my home and someone asks me, if I'm here on my island and someone asks me, who are you? What is your identity? I would give them my name. Because that name represents not just me, but my family. It carries my family with me. It carries my ancestors with me. So whoever asks the question will understand, oh, okay, so she's from here. She's related to who? It's my name. But if I'm outside of my home, outside of this island, and then, for example, in Hawaii, if I get asked that question, I would say, I'm Samoan. Because I was born in Samoa and I chose to be Samoan. And if I go outside of the islands, outside of Pacific Island, to the United States, for example, to the mainland, I would say I'm Polynesian. I'm from the Pacific Islands. I'm from Oceania. All those labels.